The customer provides the high-definition images you need, and we will design the images into suitable printing files, transferring the printed files and patterns onto paper. Transfer printed paper with patterns onto the fabric we want to produce at high temperatures through machine equipment. We can also embroider the brand logo on the fabric according to your requirements. We need to cut the fabric used to sew the product and sew it into the final product. We iron the perfect product to make it smooth and even. Check the details of the finished product, pick out defective products, and trim off some residual stitching. We will design the necessary logos and product patterns, product descriptions, and sales barcodes for you, and then create the perfect packaging box. The final step is to put the product into the corresponding customized gift box, and now it is a complete brand.